Hey friends, it's Natalia and welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, little Caleb is here and we're going to be decorating our master bedroom for Christmas. I'm really excited. I have a really cool theme that I have going on this year that I haven't done before, so that'll be exciting. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning and some decorating. Hopefully you'll get some ideas and some inspiration. Hi guys, so I just want to welcome you if you're new, and if you are coming back, then thank you for coming back and watching this video. I started off with the bed because I was going to put some garland over it. I got this 9-foot flocked garland from Walmart, and I would definitely suggest that you use 2 people to do this because it gets messy and you want to make sure that it comes out evenly over the bed. So we were stretching it out here and making sure it was all spread out. And here's little Caleb. I don't know if you could see him. He was just hanging out in his little bouncy chair while we were getting this all put up. When the snow is falling over all we see, I wake up from a slumber. So to attach the garland to the headboard, we used some pipe cleaners that I had left over from kids crafts. You could use garland ties. I believe they have some at the Dollar Tree that will work for this too. I feel today can turn out wrong. No, holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind my love for you, my dear. Hope and laughter closing in on me, bringing the joyful harmony. Next, we added some of these battery-operated fairy lights. I love putting these everywhere. I think they just add a little Christmas magic to all of the decorations. So for the longest time, I wanted to take off this ironing board rack that I've had here. I feel like it doesn't look very pretty. It is practical for me because I do like to sew and it makes it easy for me to access it, but I'm trying to go for a more aesthetically pleasing look. So I took that down, and next I'm putting up this sign, which right now, as you see, is just a wooden board. I have not put the letters on it yet, but I wanted to just put this on so that I can measure everything out. Now these little window panes are some that I got from the Target Bullseye section in their fall line. I did not use them for the fall, but I thought they would be perfect for Christmas. I wanted to put them both together so that they could look like one bigger window, and I used command strips to put them up, and I joined them together, and then I'm going to put a little wreath over it. I love it. And guys, when using command strips, make sure that after you put them up, you don't just leave it up. You have to take it down and let the strips cure for 30 minutes. Because if not, things can fall, like they did that night. The little window pane and the wreath fell on my head when I was sleeping. But thankfully nobody got hurt. It was the night before Christmas. So I usually have the little co-sleeper on my side of the bed because that's where baby Caleb sleeps. So it makes it really hard for me to access this window. So as you can see, it hadn't been cleaned in a really long time, guys. This is real life. I also wanted to mention that I was using the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine scent, and it smells so good, guys. It smells like Christmas trees, and I love it.
Did you that everything would change?
If you're enjoying this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. I would love for you to also share the videos. If you find some inspiration or some ideas that you want to share with friends or family, you can share this video. That would help me out so much, guys.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
So after we had put up the garland, it did leave quite a mess on our bed sheets, and I figured it was time to wash them anyway. So I went ahead and took off all the bedding and washed it.
What you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now.
So here I'm wearing a new outfit because it's the next day, and I continued to clean off all the surfaces.
Christmas on, it's Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you.
Alright, so this is my desk that I have in the corner of my bedroom. This is where I craft, where I sew, where I do my YouTube editing, and it's a multi-purpose room, my master bedroom. So I'm cleaning this area off, and this little shelf that I have also.
From this Christmas on.
I used a clear command hook, and I attached it to the top of one of the window panes to put my little wreath in, and I put this cute little bow on it. I ended up having to put another command strip at the bottom because it was kind of splitting open a little bit with the weight of the wreath. And the night before, I finished making my sign with my Cricut machine, and it says, "And to all a good night," which goes for Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night. I thought it was so cute when I saw this idea on Pinterest. Alright guys, so this is day 3 of me trying to finish decorating our master bedroom for Christmas. We've had quite a bit of hiccups. We just found out yesterday that Noah has the flu, so I'm just praying so hard that we don't all get it. It's kind of just canceled Thanksgiving for us, basically. But he's sleeping right now, and baby's happy and content, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and share it with you guys. I hope you guys like it. I went with like a greenish theme instead of like traditional green and red that I like to do, because I thought it went well with the pink color, which you all seem to love from my bathroom video, which is the sea salt from Sharon Williams. So let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right.
I never was one to make my bed every day, but I forced myself to start this habit, and I just love it because it just makes the room look so much cleaner and brighter and just put together when you make your bed.
I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
So for my bedding, I actually made some covers, some pillow covers from fabric that I got at Joann's. They're the green ones that you're gonna see, and I love them. And then the Christmas tree one is from Amazon, and I will link that one in the description box.
Tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess what shapes that go to
So I found this throw blanket at Home Goods, and it was on clearance, guys, for $7, and I thought it went so well with the theme that I was going with. These little trees are a Dollar Tree DIY. I got some garland ties and I wrapped them around the trunk of the tree to fill them in more. And then I got some spray flocking that you get in a can and gave them a little bit of a spritz. I got this sign, "Oh Come Let Us Adore Him," from Walmart last year, and I put it on the wall where the ironing board was, and I just think it's so much prettier than having an ironing board there. I love this little shelf, how it turned out. I feel like everything just tied in together with the theme, with the green. This sign is from Target Bullseye, the belt is also from Target Bullseye, and the greenery is from Joann's. I got this candle from Aldi in the fall time. It's crisp weather, and I thought the colors were perfect, and it smells like Christmas trees, which is exactly what I want it to smell like in here. And the finishing touch is vacuum lines. After all of the decorating, there is a mess on the floor and it needed to be vacuumed. So adding that final touch, I just feel like vacuum lines are like proof that your room is clean. At least that's what I tell myself anyway. But I just love vacuuming, and so I'm getting all that dust off the floor.
I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
One of the things that I love about my Shark vacuum is that this piece here detaches, and so I use that to vacuum near the baseboards and all the little spots that the vacuum can't get into.
Together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Take. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our heart. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love.
All right, guys, this is what it looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. I am so in love with how this turned out. I just love coming in my bedroom and just hanging out in my little Christmas oasis. It is the only clean part of my house at the moment. So I just love being in here. I will have some more clean and decorate with me videos coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.